Hello everyone. In this video, I will continue introduce this helicopter co-simulation system. The difference is in this new configuration, we don't need this real-time controller. We can shut down this real-time controller and use the Android device to control the helicopter model directly without the N9 real-time controller. Let's open this project. We can see in this project we only have a computer and no real-time controller. And also we have a web service. In this web service, we will post 6 different values. That is the control value, control signal, VMP, VMY, and the 4 status of the helicopter, theta, phi, theta velocity, and phi velocity. And again, we build a specification file. We set the service name, source file, and a URL mapping. In this web service, we will use the Android device to post 2 control values to this web service. After set the parameters, we hit Build button and deploy this program. Then this web service program will run background, and we can see we brush it, reload this page. You see, this is the new web service. We have 6 different parameters: control signal, VMP, VMY, and the 4 status of the helicopter. That is theta, phi, theta velocity, and phi velocity. First, let's open this model program and run it. Next, let's run the Android app. We choose this virtual device. And this time, we enter the control model 2. Control model 2 means use this device to control the helicopter model directly without the real-time controller. We set the IP address of this computer 173. And hit start. We can see this red curve means the actual helicopter angle, and the blue curve means the desired helicopter angle. We can set to a new target value, 9.5. Here on this Android app, we show the control voltage, to control voltage, and the theta phi angle. And on the model program, we also show the theta phi, theta velocity, and the phi velocity. And we can also change it to a negative value. This time we give it a negative 15.54. We can also, on the model program part, the actual theta value will decrease. And then we change back to 0. we can see in the model program, it increases step by step, simultaneously until to the target value. And also, on this Android app, it shows the status of the helicopter. When we want to stop this program, just hit stop button and return to the model selection interface and stop this model program. And then close this project.